Hi, this is Hannah from Vizzy.io. Today I'm going to be walking you through a new feature that we've added on the Form Workflow Plus web application. This one. We've added it so that reviewers could have a quicker glance on the information that's inside the requests, so I hope this helps. First, you have to be logged into the web application. This is how it'll look like. And now you're on the Manage Workflows tab. We'll have to move to the Approvals tab so that you'll see the new feature that we've added. Now take a look at the top right portion of the page. Under your avatar menu, you'll see that a new icon has been added beside the filter icon. This is the Custom Column tab icon. But wait, it's grayed out right now. If you hover your mouse over the icon, you'll notice that it'll ask you or it'll remind you to choose a workflow name from the top left portion, which is here. So you can choose the workflow name by either scrolling down through the menu, or you can also type in the name of the workflow. So for this particular example, I'll be using Creston Lights Billable Hours. Right now, I don't have any pending approvals, so I'll filter the status to all so that you can see the columns that are present in this workflow. There you go. Right now, for Creston Lights Billable Hours, the columns that I have are Requester, Step, Submission date, status, and workflow name. So you'll notice that the previously grayed icon is now turned blue, which means it's active. So you have to click the Custom Column tab icon, and you'll see the choices that you have for the additional column that you want to appear on the web application. For this particular example, I'll be using billable amount so that as a reviewer, I'll immediately see how much amount is being requested by the employee. Click outside, and it should be active. How will I know if it's active? I just have to scroll to the right and notice that beside the last column earlier, which was workflow name, a new column has been added, which is your billable amount. There you go. You'll also notice that you can sort the information that can be seen on the application. So whether you want it in descending order or ascending order is entirely up to you. And there you go. That's how you add a custom column tab on your Form Workflow Plus web application. Easy, right? Please stay tuned for more videos about Form Workflow Plus and follow us on all our social media platforms. We have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and of course, please continue to follow us here on YouTube. Please hit that subscribe button and get notified whenever we have new content available for you. I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Bye!